Okay. Sir, wind deflector, no crack, no damage. Sun visor, no crack, no damage. Student driver sign present. All 5 clearance light present. Both side mirror mounted good. Windshield, no crack, no damage. Both wiper on place. Hood, no crack, no damage. Both hood mirror mounted good. Hood tight and secure, grill tight and secure, bumper tight and secure, license plate tight and secure, no leak under the hood. Both side low beam working, left signal working, right marker light working, both fog light working. Hood no crack, no damage. Hood vent no crack, no damage. Convex mirror no crack, no damage. Tire we already covered under the hood. Unit number listed. Side mirror mounted good, no crack, no damage. Convex and flat mirror no crack, no damage. CV sticker valid. Glass no crack, no damage. School logo present. Door open lock good. Signal working. Footstep mounted good. All tanks secure properly. Battery cover secure properly. Signal working. Side wind deflector mounted good. GVW tail weight listed. DEF tank cap tight and secure. DEF tank tight and secure. No leak under the DEF tank. Handle mounted good. Footstep no crack, no damage. Diesel tank no crack, no damage. Cap tight and secure. No leak under the diesel tank. Back of the cab no crack, no damage. Student driver sign present. Glass no crack, no damage. Line secure properly. Both cab airbag no leak, no crack, no damage. Both shock no leak, no crack, no damage. Torque rod mounted good. Leveling valve mounted good. Cross member no crack, no damage. All lines are connected good. Frame no crack, no damage. Catwalk no crack, no damage. Drive shaft no crack, no damage. Muffler no crack, no damage, no smoke. Supporting rod mounted good, no crack, no damage. Drive shaft U-joint no crack, no damage. Cross member no crack, no damage. Frame no crack, no damage. Fender both sides no crack, no damage. Differential no leak, no crack, no damage. Torque rod mounted good, no crack, no damage. Both side inside wall of the tire no cut, no bulge. Both side rim no crack, no damage. Both side dust covered drum no crack, no damage. Both side leaf spring no crack, no damage. Both side U-bolts no crack, no damage. Outside wall of the tire no cut, no bulge. Rim no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. All hub nut tight and secure. Hub seal no leak. Valve stem with cap present. No rock in between the tire. Inside wall of the tire no cut, no bulge. Pressure in all 4 tires is good. Tread depth in all 4 tires more than 1.6. Airbag no crack, no damage. Shock mounted good, no leak. Frame no crack, no damage. Fifth wheel secure to the body good. Outside wall of the tire no cut, no bulge. Rim no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. All hub nut tight and secure, no leak. Valve stem with cap present. No rock in between the tire. Inside wall of the tire no cut, no bulge. Tread depth more than 1.6. Pressure is good. Cross member no crack, no damage. U-joint no crack, no damage. Drive shaft mounted good. Brake chambers mounted both side. Brake chamber mounted good. Line connected good. Frame no crack, no damage. Torque rod no crack, no damage. Differential no leak, no crack, no damage. Airbags both side no crack, no damage. Both side inside wall of the tire no cut, no bulge. Both side drum no crack, no damage. Both side dust cover no crack, no damage. Both side leaf spring no crack, no damage. Both side U-bolts secure properly, no crack, no damage. Cross member no crack, no damage. Both side mud flap hanger mounted good, no crack, no damage. Both side mud flap, no crack, no damage. Left signal working, right marker light working. In Alberta we put the license plate at the front, that's why no license plate at the back. Now I will show you the right signal and the brake light. Aajo. Last bike brake. Brake light working, right signal working. Outside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. All hub nut tight and secure. No leak. Valve stem with cap present. Pressure in both the tire good. No rock in between the tire. Tread depth more than 1.6. Pressure in both the tire good. Tread depth more than 1.6. No rock in between the tire. Leaf spring hanger mounted good. Airbag, no crack, no damage. Shock, no leak. Fifth wheel mounted to the main frame, good. Outside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. All hub nut tight and secure, no leak. Valve stem with cap present. Fender, no crack, no damage. Leaf spring hanger mounted good. Diesel tank, no crack, no damage, no leak. Cap tight and secure. Strap, no crack, no damage. Side wind deflector mounted good. GVW tail weight listed. Right signal working. Door open lock good. Glass, no crack, no damage. School logo present. Footstep mounted good, no crack, no damage. Side mirror mounted good. Convex and flat mirror mounted good. Tire we already covered. Fender, no crack, no damage. Hood, no crack, no damage. Number listed. Hood mirror, no crack, no damage. Hood vent, good, no crack, no damage. And my right signal is working. Now I will show you the high beam and the four wheel. I beam both side working, four ways both side working, four way on the side working, four ways at the back working, four ways on this side working. Now my circle check is done. Now we start with the in-cab inspection.